Justina from the Arts College, and welcome to our art tool reviews so that we can look at certain things. Now, I get asked a lot, quite all the time, what kind of drawing pencil is the best pencil to draw? I've tried many pencils. I've tried these ones. I don't know if you've seen these. These are the Staedtler pencils, the yellow and black ones, and they're okay. But I just find that when I'm drawing, it's like there's no flow to my pencil and my painting. It's almost like when I'm drawing my pencil, it's the biggest thing that I really want to make sure that it feels smooth and feels right. The other thing is making sure my pencil is sharp enough and it's good quality. So I use these red and black pencils, and they're made in Germany, and it's a Staedtler, but it's the 4B red and black pencils. These have been my go-to all the time. I've tried very, very posh drawing pencils, and they're okay for certain types of projects, but I tend to always come back to these. I even let children experiment with these, and they love them because they feel like they get the best out of it. The 4B is not too hard and not too soft, so that it teaches you how to use pressures in your hand when you're drawing light, when you're pressing light, and when you're pressing hard with your shading techniques. When I do other shading projects, then we obviously use it other types of pencils, but to get started, your best bet would be your red and black pencils.